Do you like Thai tea, guy?
Yes, I do. I drink Thai tea in the morning.
Do they sell Thai tea in the cafe?
Yes, they do. They also sell tea and cake.
Did you go to campus yesterday, guy?
Yes, I did. I had a presentation.
Did the lecture come on time?
We spent 15 minutes late.
I will study tonight for the exam.
I will help you if you don't understand the material.
Will we have a quiz tomorrow?
Yes, we will. The lecturer told us last week.
I'm going to visit my grandmother this weekend.
I am going to do my assignment tonight.
Are you going to join the English club, Fahmi?
Yes, I am going to join in the next month.
We are going to study together at the library later night.
Yes, we are. Okay, thank you.